Hello everyone, Ollie the Repair is here again. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the failed to send retrieve response on Sliver 6.0 when running on Catalina via patch ideviceactivation made by me. If you are interested, you can check out the code on GitHub for those who are interested on how I fix ideviceactivation to make it work on Sliver 6.0. For Big Sur and A5 and A6 factory activation are experimental as I am not tested my patch ideviceactivation on that. First, click OK on the error message. Then download the patch ideviceactivation.sh and put it on desktop. The link to the patch is in the description below, after which open a terminal window and type sudo chmod 755, leave a space, then drag the patch ideviceactivation.sh to the terminal window. Press enter or return. Then you get this password prompt. Enter your password, which is your Mac OS password. Once done, drag and drop the patch ideviceactivation.sh to the terminal window again. Press enter or return and wait. Once you're done, run Sliver 6.0 and the nasty ideviceactivation error should fix. Go back to Sliver 6.0 and click reach the home screen. Allow it to run. Once you get this, it means it is successful. I will be demonstrating by setting up the device. I will set up the device. Done. I can proceed to the next step, which I won't be going through that. I hope you enjoy my tutorial. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and share my video. You can also comment on my video. Please donate. The PayPal link to donate is in the description below, and see you in the next video.